Let's combine 茶 with 叶 to make them 茶叶 and it means tea leaves. Black tea is 红茶. 红 is red, not black. Black is 黑 in Chinese. So don't forget to change black to red when you want to say black tea, 红茶 in Chinese. How about green tea? Green tea is 绿茶 and 绿 is green. So there's no problem memorizing it. There's another everyday tea, oolong, and we say 乌龙茶. I'm a tea person, and how about you? Do you prefer tea or coffee? Welcome to share your preference with me.